Hello! Today we're going to be talking about conditional probabilities and we're going to make them as easy to understand as we possibly can. For that, we are going to be looking at two events. We're going to be looking at the probability that this woman right here, Ashley, goes for coffee, which is about 60% chance. And we're going to be looking at the probability that it will rain today, which it's about 40% chance. So, in here, we are going to be trying to understand how do conditional probabilities work and how these two probabilities relate to each other. We do know that Ashley told us this morning, if it rains, she doesn't think she's going to go for coffee because she doesn't want to get wet. So it's actually 10% chance that Ashley will go for coffee if it rains. Right now, we know the probability of rain. We know the probability that Ashley will go for coffee, and we know the probability that Ashley will go for coffee if it rains. But do we know the probability of Ashley not going for coffee if it doesn't rain? Even though it doesn't seem like we do, we actually certainly do know that. Let's remember that the probability of an event taking place and the probability of the event not taking place should always add up to 100%. On top, we have event A, raining and not raining. We already said there was a 40% chance of rain, which means there is a 60% chance that it won't be raining today. Likewise, if we know that there is a 60% chance that Ashley will get coffee, that means that there's a 40% chance that she won't. We know the facts that are colored in green in this table, and if we fill in the rest, trying to back solve for what numbers should go where, for the additional law to stand, we can find the rest of the probabilities in this table. Sometimes it can be a little frustrating or difficult to remember exactly the math equation that you need to perform in order to find any of the probabilities, conditional probabilities that are not necessarily given. However, please remember that you can always take out a piece of paper and back solve for the number that you're looking for. Thank you.